The town I came from was quiet and small. We played in the meadows where the grass grew so tall. In summer the lilacs would grow everywhere. The laughter of children would float in the air. And I can see it all so clearly now, still going on. Yes, I can see it all so clearly now, though all of it's gone. As I grew older, I had to roam, far from my family, far from my home, into the city where lives can be spent, lost in the shadows of tar and cement. Into the city where I had my eye on all of the pleasures that money can buy. And every night I'd sit alone and learn what loneliness meant. Up in my rented room above a world of tar and cement. Each day I'd wake up and look at the sky. I'd think of the meadows where I used to lie. Then I'd remember that all of it's gone. You're in the city, you better push on. Get what you came for before it's too late. Get what you came for, the meadows can wait. And every night I'd sit alone and learn what loneliness meant. Up in my rented room above a world of tar and cement. Many years later, tired at last, I headed for home to look for my past. I looked for the meadows, there wasn't a trace. 6 lanes of highway had taken its place. Where were the lilacs and all that they meant? Nothing but acres of tar and cement. Yes, I can see it all so clearly now. Where has it gone? Yes, I can see it there so clearly now. Where has it gone? Where are the meadows? Where are the lilacs? Where is the tall grass? Laughter of children, nothing but acres, acres and acres.